Hey, it's Mo here from MH Creative, here to show you part 3 of a 3-part tutorial series. Here we're going to show you how to export footage from Adobe Premiere CS6. Okay, so you finished working on your sequence using the skills from part 1 and 2 of this tutorial series, and you're ready to export your footage. Head up to File in the top left corner, go down to Export, and click Media. Now I'm gonna show you the best export settings for quality to file size ratio. So this isn't the highest possible quality you can get, but it is the highest possible quality you can get without taking up, hundreds of megabytes or gigabytes of file storage space. So the first setting you want to use is H.264. Now this is one that's accepted by YouTube and Vimeo, so you can upload it to those no problem. On the preset, the ideal one to use is HD, and for us our footage has a frame rate of 25 frames per second. So HD 1080p 25. If yours is 23 frames per second, 29, click those. So the best one for this instance is HD 1080p 25 frames. So in the output name, we'll click on this one so we can change where the file is going to save to in the name of the file. So I'll call this tutorial vid, and I'm just saving it to the desktop. It doesn't matter where you save it. For me, I always move the video file after I test it first. So I'll save it, I'll export it, I'll make sure the video is good, there aren't any errors, there aren't any unusual things going on, and if it's good, then I'll move the file to where I'll archive it. Now we go down, make sure you have export video and export audio checked, and lower there's the video tab. The width is 1920, the height is 1080, that's fine. Frame rate is 25, that's fine too. I'm from Australia, so it's PAL. Doesn't really matter if you're from America, you want to use NTSC. Good thing is, on a lot of DSLR cameras, you can still record in NTSC and still export it as PAL, which I've done before, so it's fine. I like to click at render at maximum depth just so the detail is as high as it can be for the file size we're going to get out of it. And that's all you need to do. You can check these if you want to. Not necessary, I don't need it. The estimated file size is an estimate. It's usually lower than what it says there, but I think it's better for them to give you a higher file size than a smaller one. When you're ready to export, you can just click export. If this is going to take long on my computer, and I need to, I'm going to speed it up. It's finished exporting, so now we can go to our desktop and preview the video. Now I know what the original file looked like, and I don't think any quality is lost at all. It looks fantastic. Without any color grading or rendering, it looks good. I'll mute this just so we don't hear it. And there's that passage of time, and it's nearly done. It's good. Now it's ready to upload to YouTube, to Vimeo. It's ready to show friends and family, transport, upload to Dropbox, whatever you need to do. And that's it. That is part 3 of the 3-part tutorial showing you how to use Adobe Premiere CS6 in its most simplest form. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, please hit the like button, make a comment below, and stay tuned for future video tutorials showing you how to use more features of Adobe Premiere, After Effects. I'll even be touching on Photoshop and Illustrator too. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.